1, Plaza del Rey 1. This is the entrance right here, so you'll probably see this as you enter Plaza del Rey. This is a beautiful home. We got Punky and the dogs over there. Basically, this is this beautiful great room area. So you got this granite countertop, beautiful area up here with the coffered ceilings right above the cabinets. You have a pantry right here. This front space is such a pretty finish. You got 2 bathrooms right here. You got the tile showers and everything. And notice that these hallways are a bit wider than normal. But this is the first guest bedroom right here. And then we have right over here our laundry area, which has the 3-car parking right there. But nice laundry machines here. Here's the second guest bedroom right here. And then, by the way, these 9-foot flat ceilings are just pretty. This is the master area right here. So you have a little bit of yard space. You have no neighbors in the back, by the way. And his and her sink right here. Another beautiful tile walk-in shower with cabinetry in the bedrooms. I mean, in the master bathroom too. A lot of people love this finish. It's a Karsten. I'm sorry, it's a silver. This is a Skyline mobile home. But you have the fireplace also right here. Hope you like this video. We'll end this here. Take care.